Temperature. The degree of hotness and coldness of the air is called temperature. Now, the temperature of the atmosphere changes not only between the day and the night, but also from season to season. An important factor that influences the distribution of temperature is insolation. Now, what is insolation? Insolation is the incoming solar energy intercepted by the Earth. The amount of the insolation decreases from the equator towards the poles. Temperature is measured in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Do you know, students, on the Celsius scale, the water freezes at 0 degree Celsius and boils at 100 degree Celsius. Now the next is air pressure. Air pressure is defined as the pressure exerted by the weight of air on the Earth's surface. Horizontally, the distribution of air pressure is influenced by the temperature of the air at a given place. In areas having a low temperature, the air is cold. The air always moves from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. Next is wind. The movement of air from high pressure areas to low pressure areas is called wind. Winds can be broadly divided into three types: permanent winds, seasonal winds, and the local winds. Students, in the year 1999, October month, cyclonic winds originated as depression and affected Odisha, killing thousands of people. Another thing, do you know, students, on the moon there is no air and hence no air pressure. Astronauts have to wear special protective space suits that is filled with air when they go to the moon. If they did not wear these space suits, the pressure exerted by their body of their body would make the blood vessels burst, and the astronauts would bleed there. Now the next is moisture. When water evaporates from land and other water bodies, it becomes water vapor. Moisture in the air at any time is known as humidity. When the water vapor rises, it starts cooling. The water vapor condenses, causing the formation of droplets of water. When these droplets of water become too heavy to float in the air, they come down as precipitation. Precipitation is the falling of moisture in the form of rainfall, snow, fog, sleet, and hailstones. On the basis of mechanism, there are three types of rainfall: the conventional rainfall, the orographic rainfall, and the cyclonic rainfall. Rainfall is very important for the survival of plants and animals. Okay, students, now that's all for this chapter. Have a good day. Thank you.